Infinite Frontier introduces a whole new look and modus operandi for Scarecrow, and they are really reminiscent of Jigsaw from the Saw franchise. Future State may be finally over, but the seeds of DC potential future are already starting to take root in the DC Universe Infinite Frontier era. As the DC Universe resets itself in the wake of Dark Knight's death metal, several characters are moving closer to the roles they had in Future State, and in some cases revealing the origins of Gotham's dystopian future. In addition to sowing the seeds for the groups like the Magistrate being revealed, Batman number 106 reintroduces Dr. Jonathan Crane, the Scarecrow, and gives him a new modus operandi and a terrifying new look that effectively turn him into Gotham's answer to Saw's Jigsaw Killer. Scarecrow is one of Batman's oldest and formidable villains, but this new direction for Scarecrow comes in time to help the devious new villain Simon Saint with his plans of instilling his private police force, the Magistrate. Scarecrow does this by doing what he does best, instilling fear within Gotham, with special attention given to Gotham City Mayor Christopher Nakano. While Scarecrow has been highly adept and instilling fear since his debut in Bill Finger, Bob Crane and Jerry Robinson's The Riddler of the Human Scarecrow from World's Finest number 3. His new MO is reminiscent of one of horror's scariest antagonists, Jigsaw, while his appearance is just a more modern and frightening version of his usual attire. Scarecrow's new actions to instill fear seem inspired by Jigsaw's from the Saw series. The beginning of the issue with how he has Batman strapped to a chair and is talking to him. This whole scene is similar to the infamous opening scene from the first Saw, where we are first introduced to the menacing Jigsaw and his sadistic torture tactics. Yet instead, here we are being reintroduced to Scarecrow, and his latest appearance and tactics have mechanical, visceral brutality that recalls the traps that Jigsaw put his victims in throughout the various installments in the Saw series. The presence of various television screens also lends to the resemblance, but what really drives the point home is Scarecrow's ramblings about teaching Gotham a lesson. Ostensibly, Jigsaw saw himself as teaching the various victims of the Saw franchise a lesson throughout his various traps and games. All were a twisted way for Jigsaw to drive his lessons home and to force his victims to value their lives. Seeing that Scarecrow's various scare tactics have failed time and again, Gotham's master of fear was once again forced to reevaluate his methods, and he seems to have embraced several of the same ideas that Jigsaw has used to spread his dark message. While Gotham's future state is still preventable, Scarecrow stands as one of the biggest obstacles in Batman's path to preventing a much darker Gotham from taking shape. But with Scarecrow embracing the horrific aspects of Gotham City more than ever before, he'll have to ace his worst fear to keep the city from falling apart. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.